from the College by the Lake, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Local, regional, national, and international guests discussing the issues and topics affecting the way you live are on Forum, the North Idaho College Public Forum, with your host and moderator, political scientist Tony Stewart.
On behalf of the staff of the North Idaho College Public Forum, I want to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy new year. And from our staff, we are so desirous of you having a wonderful year in the next 12 months. We've given a lot of thought to how we wanted to celebrate with you and to come into your homes and into your businesses for this special program as we start a new year. And we're so happy to welcome back from last week a group that helped us celebrate during this whole season. And I am very pleased to introduce the Eastern Washington University Percussion Ensemble. Our guest is the director, Martin Zakowski, and we're so happy to have you back, Martin. You just did a beautiful job with your group last week, and I know we have given some different emphasis now that we're doing a somewhat a different show for the New Year's, and I would like to tell our audience that we're calling this the celebration of rhythm. Welcome, and would you tell us a little bit about this particular theme that you've chosen and what we're going to enjoy in a few minutes?
Well, thank you first of all for being here again. So welcome. It's really thrilled to be back again. And this week we're celebrating the sounds of rhythm and celebrating rhythm. Rhythm is in all of us, whether we think we have a great sense of rhythm or not. And all the music we've selected for this program is based on solid either ethnic rhythms or strictly American rhythms, Brazilian rhythms, and sometimes improvised rhythms, inspirational rhythms that come to the players.
And as we get into the program, we're going to have some visuals to tell what the numbers are, and the audience can enjoy it. I really want to get into this so we can have the music to enjoy and to celebrate that affects our lives in so many ways. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to introduce to you for our New Year's program, the Eastern Washington University Percussion Ensemble, and I know you will enjoy the program. We are back with Martin Zukowski, who is the director of the Eastern Washington University Percussion Ensemble. Martin, we've just been thrilled with the music today and last week, and what a great way for this program to celebrate the holiday season we've been in. At the beginning of the program, we told our viewers that this was called Celebration of Rhythm. Tell us, in the little time we have left, how you put this together and what this meant.
Well, it meant a lot to us because we work on rhythm all the time, control of rhythm, and studying not only in a classical sense our major scales on marimba and working with metronomes, but now working with hand drums like we are with the group you're going to hear at the closer of the show again. We've worked on Brazilian rhythms, on African rhythms a lot, and hopefully the discipline we learned from the rhythms of those cultures can carry over into the popular music, the jazz we perform on drum set, for instance, and all the familiar musics that we hear in Western culture.
So really here we're using music again as a bridge around the world, and certainly as we move into a new year, there are celebrations all over the world, and trying to bring in the new year, and we hope for our viewers that they will have a great year that's coming up, and that's why we want to do this program, to celebrate that. As we're running out of time, I'm going to ask you to introduce for the audience what our great group is going to do to close out this 2-week series we've had with you, and we wish all of your group well, and we do wish for all of you a great year next year.
Thank you so much. As we're closing, we'd like to revisit again the piece we played at the beginning, which is called Xuxo. It's hard for me to speak Portuguese, but it's a carnival celebration rhythm. And we thought it'd be very appropriate to revisit that again in a slightly different, new way at the close of the program. It features the kawika drum, the hand drums, 5 sets of bells, double bells, all playing different patterns at once. Very exciting.
Here we go.